Hello, this video I'm going to tell you how to use the listening exercise in my YouTube. So you will see this is my website main page, and then the playlist. You'll find the this listening exercise. So some of them, for the most recent one, you just go to the video, and then you will find a PDF that you can, it will facilitate your listening exercise practice. So let's see what it is. So it also will ask you to go to an explanation video, some of them if they are a bit difficult. So this study plan, it will guide you to my exercise website. So in this website you will see lots of reading listening exercise. So it looks great, right? So this page, if you're upper beginner, so most of the people are upper beginner and then they don't know how to proceed to a more advanced level. So you can see some video that suit your level, and you can choose whether it's a video tutorial or it's a test here, and some grammar content that I write or I collect from internet, and some intermediate video that I collect in the past from different website, different YouTube channel. So let's take a look of everything. So recap, you go to my page, find the playlist, and then you will get to more video and exercise with PDF. Okay, so this PDF looks great actually. So you see, so for the exercise you would go through it according to the schedule, or you can say it's the plan, and then like make you happy by giving a tick when you finish one of it. And it's also a printout for you to review. Maybe after a while you want to listen to it again. Alright, so thank you. Well, see you in other videos.